Hi, I'm Atul and I am in London right now.
Hi, I'm Paul and I'm an A-Level Chemistry tutor based in Burnley, Lancashire right now. So today we're going to have a look at a free radical substitution exam question taken from a AQA exam paper. And we've got to be careful with it because it's giving us specific reactants and products. So in our mechanism, we've got to make sure that it's fitting in with making the exact products that we've been given in the question. So two things we've got to remember from free radical substitution reactions. In propagation steps, the reactants and products, there's always a reactant and a free radical and a product and a free radical. That's going to help us with the steps. And also in the first propagation step, we'll get a hydrogen fluoride or hydrogen chloride as one of the products to help us along. So in the first propagation step, we have 1,1-difluoroethane reacting with fluorine in a free radical substitution reaction. So we have CH F2 CH3 as our reactant, and our free radical, because we're reacting with fluorine, will be a fluorine free radical. And then we know in the first propagation step, hydrogen fluoride or hydrogen chloride, in this case hydrogen fluoride, will be one of the products. And therefore our free radical has lost a hydrogen, but we've got to be careful where it's lost it from, because there's two places we could lose it from, the CHF2 or the CHF3. But if we look at our product, we can see we're losing the hydrogen from the first carbon and not the second carbon. So our free radical would be CF2, CH3, and that's our free radical. And that's our free radical that will be used in the second propagation step. And because we're reacting with fluorine, that's our other reactant, which is F2. And we know in the second propagation step, we'll be forming our product, which in this case is 1,1,1-trifluoroethane, or CF3CH3. And our free radical will be our fluorine free radical, so that this reaction can continue occurring. So we've done our free radical propagation steps for the conversion of CHF2CH3 into CF3CH3.
And the cycle continues with the fluorine radical meeting another one of these.
Yes, until that reactant is used up.
Yeah, that's great. And I'm guessing you can show this whole process with a displayed formula as well, with the whole sort of sticks. Oh, is that all they'll give you, the structural formulae?
Yes, you could show this with displayed formulae as well. And with this, we could get further substitution here as well, because there's still more hydrogens to be swapped for more fluorines. So the CFCH3 could start reacting with the fluorine free radicals.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. further substitution. Fantastic. That's great. Yeah, I look forward to the next video then.
Okay, thanks, Atul.
Thanks. Bye for now.
See you next week. Bye.